How to add another SIM card to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Mobile Service in the first section. From here, you can manage various network settings, view your data usage, and configure your SIMs. Scroll down a bit further and tap on Add eSIM to begin the process of adding a new mobile plan. You can now set up your new eSIM. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby phone or scan a QR code from your network provider. Tap on Use QR code to proceed with this method. Now, tap on Scan QR code. You will then be prompted to scan the QR code provided by your network provider to set up your mobile service. You can also tap Enter Details manually at the bottom. Here, you can enter the activation information provided by your carrier, such as the SMDP plus address, activation, and confirmation code. Finally, tap Next on the top right corner to finish up. Following these steps, you can easily add another SIM card on an iPhone.